Hi, this is Bruce from Cape Town in South Africa on a particularly foggy morning. What we have here is an Adventure 430 that has been prepared to go to Lake Tanganyika in Central Africa, but unfortunately, due to unfortunate circumstances, the owner is going to be selling her, so she has been prepped from top to bottom as far as the electronics, engines, batteries, air conditioners, dive generator. It's all brand new. You can see the solar panels, the walk-on solar panels, and on the bimini roof there are further panels. Dual life rafts. In those open hatches are the air conditioners, which we'll get to shortly. We've got electric windlass, bar roller. Let's just have a look underneath. Nice clearance. Got a wave breaker in there. She's had two new Yanmar motors fitted, giving her significantly more power than she had before. I think it's about 860 horsepower that she's running now. The motors have got around about 30 hours on them. Brand new, they've just been run in essentially. All this in preparation for what would have been an absolutely epic circumnavigation of Lake Tanganyika, but sadly not to be. As part of the modification, an addition has been put on there on the sunroof. It's all been designed to be bolted on and bolted off for the transportation that would have been required, which will help a great deal for clearance under bridges and so on when she does need to move to a new destination. That's the new addition of a bra on the back, including rotisserie, so you certainly won't be short of space for entertainment for you and your friends. Off deck, nice little look down port gunnel. Okay, let's step aboard. Right, here we are on the swim platform. As I mentioned earlier, magnificent stainless steel bra, heavy duty swim ladder. Making our way into the aft cockpit. There's the one engine hatch. I've got the other one open. I'll show you now. The motors are, as I said earlier, brand new. They're 440 horsepower Yanmars. New installation. There's the generator. On the port side we have the same arrangement, except we have a dive compressor. Let me just see if I can open this with one hand. There we go. The dive compressor has been started once just to check that all is in order, and it has not been used, has not filled a single cylinder. Right, if we go around the gunnel, I can just get through here with one hand. Very convenient handrail. Solid foredeck. There's the windlass. There are the new custom-made air conditioning units. One for the cabin and the other one for the saloon areas. The bigger one, of course, being for the saloon. 5 walk-on solar panels. There are further panels on the roof behind the pigeon. Spotlights on the roof, horn. You notice all the cleats, heavy duty cleats, heavy duty railing.
So that's fine. So there's 6 berths and these.
Inside this large box there are 2 Engel deep freeze units. They're 80 litre units. Heading up the stairs into the flybridge. There are brand new cushions for all these surfaces. Talking about the soft furnishings, all the soft furnishings including the beds, the saloon seating, including mattresses, Egyptian linen for the beds. It's all brand new. Same goes for the electronics. It's a fully integrated SimRad system on here. Got your primary chart plotter, radar, fish finder there. You've got a duplicate there in case of failure. You've got a VHF that is linked to the plotter with AIS as well. Fusion sound system. So a little switch panel. These are the tank monitors. They're digital tank monitors. Both the fuel and water tanks have been replaced and upgraded to bigger units. Sorry, I was wrong there. This is the autopilot unit with the visual display. This over here is the tank monitor for the various tanks. This zip wake is a particularly interesting piece of kit. It controls the trim of the vessel and the stability of the vessel, and it can do it automatically. According to the skipper of the boat, it is an absolutely astounding piece of kit. Those are the new control panels with the new motors, windlass control, electrical voltage meters and amp meters. Green knob is the horn, and there are the throttles. And she has got plenty of go. Essentially, because she was going to be running on fresh water at high altitude, the owner doubled up on the horsepower that was originally spec'd for the boat, and she flies. Anyway, I'll be back with you when we go through the saloon and below decks.